treat for you.
Head hit the wall. Sit.
Say hi, John.
Handsome bastard.
Raising green pies. Raising one right here.
Hey Mom, remember when you asked if my friend jumped off a bridge, would I?
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
Oh, look at this goofy old phone. What the?
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Here's my butt.
O cachorro que sobe na cadeira, senta na mesa aqui.
Go ahead, log off for me.
Parh.
Rolling things of my roommate until they figure out what it is. Part 1.
Man, what do you want to do for dinner tonight? Hey Jesse, come on here and see what Brian's doing.
Babe? No! Asthma! Meow! Meow! Yeah!
Oh my god, who ate the pizza? No way!
Hello, everyone.
Pasta.
More like poo wipes.
He likes it. What's that? I'm so gay, I can't even drink straight. So in a sex shop.
We're gonna go get some lunch. You guys want anything? I'll take whatever. They're struggling. I'm worried it's not gonna reach the pedals. Hey, we'll be right back.
All right, later, guys.
All right, be safe, guys.
No. No. No.
Reasons you should stay alive. Part 5. Reason number 1, potatoes.
I can't argue. That's a good ass reason.
Daddy, I'm a ballerina.
Yeah. No, it's not.
I did myself. So I'm moving most of my stuff tomorrow, and I took out all of the glass pieces in the shelf, and usually when I'm like climbs up, I take it to the windowsill. And she just like couldn't tell that there was no glass in it. So Lennon, oh, there's no glass.
Costume looks sick. What movie are you in?
Type Portugal. Portugal.
What the?
Hey, how's it going, guys? You want to go check out what's going on over there?
Your hair looks very bouncy.
Mario's gonna do something very illegal.
It's slippery.
What is something you eat often but never post?
You got me. Oh my gosh, your shoes are tied. Ooh, what's cooking, good looking? Have I ever told you how delicious your food is? No. So why the you keep cooking? dead. Get in the cage. Bro, I see you looking, bro.
But, oh, Lucas, aren't you a little too old to be playing with toys?
Aren't you a little too young to die?
Hey, did you fall from heaven?
Yes.
Because your face is all good.
Roses are red. TNT is a bomb.
If I can't have my shoes, Karen can't have her mom. It's the biggest parh.
The Muffin Man?